My morning routine. I wake up at 6:30 a.m. every day. My alarm clock rings, and I open my eyes. I turn off the alarm and sit on my bed for 1 minute. Then, I get up and go to the bathroom. I brush my teeth with my blue toothbrush. I wash my face with cold water. It helps me wake up. After that, I take a quick shower. The water is warm, and it feels good. I dry myself with a big towel. Now it is time to get dressed. I put on my clothes, pants, a shirt, socks, and shoes. I comb my hair in front of the mirror. I go to the kitchen to make breakfast. I am hungry in the morning. I make a simple breakfast, toast with butter and a cup of orange juice. Sometimes I eat an apple or a banana too. At 7:15 a.m., I sit at the table and eat my breakfast. I like to read the news on my phone while I eat. After breakfast, I brush my teeth again. I want to have clean teeth all day. Then, I pack my bag for work or school. I check if I have my keys, my wallet, and my phone. I don't want to forget anything important. At 7:45 a.m., I leave my house. I walk to the bus stop near my home. The bus comes at 8 a.m. On the bus, I listen to music with my headphones. The bus ride takes 20 minutes. I arrive at work or school at 8:30 a.m. My morning routine is complete, and I am ready for the day. This is my morning routine from Monday to Friday. On weekends, I wake up later and have a different routine. Having a good morning routine helps me start my day well. It gives me energy and makes me feel ready for the day ahead. What is your morning routine like?